Hello, my name is Mitya and you're watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial, in which I will demonstrate how to use Sonic Enhancer to master your track. We have had the Sonic Enhancer plugins around for quite some time. They're able to extract that certain magic from particular frequencies that are difficult to tune in with a simple EQ or compressors. They are particularly effective in the high and low end frequencies, which are frequently lost in the mixing process. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to use one of them in order to master your track. As usual, we'll begin by listening to the short sequence created in our SoundBridge DAW, which contains the majority of the full mix elements with a few effects already added on the mastering effect chain. The effect chain is visible in the master chain effect rack on the right side of the SoundBridge interface, and as you can see, the last effect in the chain is Waves I'm Pusher. The Waves I'm Pusher plugin includes a number of processors referred as components, and we can use all of some of them to achieve the best possible configuration for our material. After configuring the majority of the parameters included in the I'm Pusher, let us hear the final result and compare it to the unprocessed version. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.